You got one more time. I'm going to ask you one more time. And if you do not leave, you're going to be placed under arrest.
So I'm gonna have to be this way. I just want a discount.
You need to leave.
We're telling you to leave.
I just want a discount.
You don't just get discounts.
Talk this through. Like, what can I do? What else can I do?
We've talked it through.
There's gotta
We've told
be
you what.
Resisting.
I'm not.
Things get up.
I'm not.
You want to do it behind the back right there? All right.
Come on, please. Like, don't hurt me. Like,
The Orange County Jail.
River leg.
Hello, viewers. Dave Epstein from the Post Pollock firm. Today, we're here to react to a video entitled When an Entitled Woman Demands a Discount. We talk often about store policies and things like trespass. There are a lot of things that come into play with the police, but this is another example of things, what not to do in someone's store.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So I have this lady here. She was
How's it going?
trying to buy merchandise. Unfortunately, I cannot give her a discount. When she said her brother, I have to follow Ross policy. She does not want to leave the store, and I'm gonna have to trespass.
Okay. Ma'am. Can you hear me? I'm good. You have to leave the store, all right?
hard of hearing, so.
Well, you got to leave the store, all right? If you refuse to leave, you'll be subject to arrest. Okay? You have an ID on you? Can I get your ID?
I'm gonna say no, like everybody else is telling me no.
You said what? Are you refusing to leave? Like I said, if you do not leave, you'll be placed under arrest. Okay? They're asking you to leave. They're not going to give you the discount. Okay? Are you refusing to leave? I'm going to give you one more time.
It's ridiculous.
How is it ridiculous?
I just want a discount.
You just want to what?
A discount. I don't get. They give their employees discounts, and my boyfriend works for the company, and he has my money. And so I don't have the money.
Well, they're not going to give any discount.
But they won't. Well, okay, that's fine. That's fine if they won't give the discount, but they won't hold it close for me.
They don't have to hold it close for you. Okay?
I mean,
It's just what?
they're absolutely insane.
Okay? So you have to leave the store. Okay? There's nothing I can do about it.
All right, there's something called defiance disorder. And I'm no psychologist, but this woman really wants a discount. And what she's really going to get is a night in jail and a trip to municipal court. But the police have already, the store clerk obviously knows her stuff. She said, I want her trespassed. So that store clerk knows the law and knows, or at least that part of the law knows. When you tell the police, I don't want this person in the store, but this woman wants this discount. Okay, maybe you can report them to the Consumer Affairs Division in your state. There's things to do. The thing you don't do is when a police officer asks for your ID, say no. When he says you want to leave, you'd say no. When he asks you for the 10th time, you say no. You're begging for trouble. She's going to get it.
So you refuse to leave, you're going to be placed under arrest, okay? For trespass after warning. I've given you more.
Trespassing.
Yes, you are.
I'm allowed to be in the store.
Not if they're asking you to leave.
Yeah,
She told you to leave.
to the
You're not going to be able to speak to the owner of Ross. You got one more time. I'm going to ask you one more time. And if you do not leave, you're going to be placed under arrest.
So you're gonna hurt me.
You're just going to go to jail.
Please don't hurt me. Like, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Next on three, next.
You do not leave.
So will you hurt me if I don't?
What they did, by the way, compliments to the police. You notice that 2 female police officers showed up. It's clear as a bell. They are going to have to physically remove her from the store. And whenever they put somebody in custody, they are required to search them. Better if you can have, at least try to have the female officers lay hands on her and search her than males because, you know, that can lead to all sorts of trouble. No matter how innocent the police officers are behaving, they are being patient. They're trying their best to keep this woman from getting herself jailed. But there's something wrong here. There's something off with this lady.
I don't want to be there. Okay. You guys really
They want to prosecute?
We're trying to get a discount.
This is waste.
You guys want to prosecute, right?
Because we're going to be here. This is nonsense.
Do you guys want to prosecute if she doesn't leave?
I'm sorry?
Do you want to prosecute if she doesn't leave?
Prosecute press charges?
Yes.
Can I contact my store manager about this?
If you say you guys don't want to press charges, we are going to leave without removing her from the property. If you guys want to press charges, we'll place her under arrest for trespass after warning.
Okay. Let me verify with him, and then I'll have you. Thank you, guys.
What's your name?
All right.
I'm not sure about that, folks. I don't know if they need to say, I want to press charges. They may be correct. In other words, if they're going to get called and they're going to remove somebody from the store manager should have the authority to say, yes, if that's what needs to happen, we want her prosecuted. And of course, they can agree to drop the charges later. If they say, the store says, we don't want to pursue it, there are very few prosecutors who will say, no, we won't. Now, we're going to see if she resists arrest, the store won't have anything to say about that. If she starts getting into it with the police officers, now those charges are coming from them, not the store.
So if I have to be this way, I just want a
Doesn't.
discount.
You need to leave.
We're telling you to leave.
I just want a discount.
You don't just get discounts because you want a discount. So you can leave or you can be placed under arrest if they want to prosecute. It's as simple as that, ma'am.
They're seriously going to arrest me for trying to get
What discount are you wanting?
my boyfriend gets 20% off, and he works here.
Okay, your boyfriend is not here.
He will be here after 7 p.m. So I'll be here till he gets.
You're going to, if he's really your boyfriend, you're going to make him lose his job.
Okay, well then I'm not gonna.
The police officer read my mind, and I'm thinking to myself, oh God, this poor boyfriend. He's going to have to go to work tomorrow and find out that his wackadoodle girlfriend went in and refused to leave because she wouldn't get his discount. And who knows what the rules are with this discount. Maybe she's entitled to it. Maybe she's not. But boy, oh boy, the officer's right. She's placing his job in jeopardy.
No one's going to give you a discount, okay? So you can either leave or you're going to leave in handcuffs and you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm gonna go to jail for wanting a discount.
For trespassing. That's why you're going to go to jail.
Wanting a discount. So,
Okay.
like, all I'm asking for is a discount. That's all I want. Is just
Well,
want a
the discount's
discount,
not gonna happen.
Or I want them to hold my clothes. That's all I want.
Okay.
She wouldn't provide ID either.
Oh, it's just,
I asked her and she didn't.
So there's going to be another charge.
I will give you my ID. You're gonna charge me for not giving you my ID.
Yes, you can be charged for failing to give your ID. There's certain things the police can make you do, and then there's certain things they can't. They're investigating a crime. I mean, I say it's a crime. It's a misdemeanor, but still, they're investigating a violation of a penal statute. They are allowed to ask you for identification, especially if it appears likely that they are going to take you in custody because they want to know who they have. For all they know, you're wanted in 10 states for homicide. I'm not suggesting she is, but they are entitled to ask for that. So it's failure to obey the lawful orders of a law enforcement officer. That's charge number 1. Charge number 2 is trespass. Now let's see if this woman gets herself up to resisting arrest or obstruction or even fleeing. I haven't seen this video, so we're about to find out.
I'm letting you know, you're free to leave right now, but once they tell us that they want to prosecute, you're going to be placed under arrest. Just so you know, so nothing's a surprise to you.
What does that mean? What
I've
is
asked you multiple times to
what
leave.
is prosecute? What is
Trespass after warning.
They want to press charges for trespass after
It
what?
means they want you to leave the store and you won't leave the store.
What will happen?
You go to jail.
How long will I be in jail?
So someone bails you out.
So folks, they're again telling her you're going to get arrested and you're going to go to jail. And I don't know. I give the cops credit because, the store should make up its mind, as they say, do something or get off the pot. Don't call the police and say, well, we're not going to prosecute. They are telling her they have a policy that they need to have charges pressed. So let's see what happens.
So you bail out.
$1,000 bond.
So I'm gonna go to jail because I'm
So right now
trying
you
to
can leave
get
the
a
store and you won't go to jail.
Like I said, you're free to leave right now, but
But I
once
want
we
to.
get
I
told
want to just buy these clothes.
that they want to press charges, you're going to be in handcuffs and you're going to be in the back of the car.
I just want to get a discount,
You're not getting a discount.
Or I want to hold these clothes so my boyfriend can get
You're not getting a discount.
Okay, I don't have money. My boyfriend has.
You're not getting, we just told you you're not getting a discount. You don't have money. You don't have a reason to be inside the store.
That's fine, but
Then leave.
I don't have the money.
Okay, so that means you can't buy the clothes, so you need to leave.
My boyfriend.
Then you can call your boyfriend and tell him to purchase the clothes when he comes to work, if he still has a job after this nonsense.
It is nonsense. You guys like.
The way you're acting is nonsense. You're a grown woman. You need to walk out and leave so you don't go to jail. Have you ever been to jail before?
Okay, I'm not gonna go to jail. I don't want to go to jail. Just any place talk us through. Like,
Folks, I'm going to bet the way she's acting that she's been to jail before. There's something wrong. I mean, almost like I'm watching this, and honestly, I think she should be psychiatrically evaluated because this behavior is nuts. This behavior is definitely, there's something wrong here. That they're begging her, please, we don't want to arrest you. You don't want to cause your boyfriend to lose his job. I mean, for all we know, there is no boyfriend. And she says, I have no money, but she wants a discount. Does that mean she's going to get it for free? I hope she's not thinking of what we call the 5-finger discount. But there is something wrong here. And these police are practically begging her, let us take you out and walk out and we'll be done with this. So I don't know what's going on here.
what can I do? What else can I do?
We've talked it through
There's
already.
gotta
We've told
be.
you what is going to happen.
There's gotta be another solution, please. Sorry? Please tell me there's another solution.
There's no other solution. You can leave right now because you're not under arrest. They're asking you just to leave the store.
I don't want to get arrested for wanting a discount.
You're not going to get arrested for wanting a discount. You're going to get arrested for trespass after warning. Right now, you can leave the store.
But like, if you're really gonna hurt me, if I don't.
Nobody's going to hurt you. You can leave the store right now.
Yeah. It ain't a secret. My thing's recording too, so.
So I have to go to jail. You do.
No, you have to leave the store. If you don't leave the store, then you have to go to jail.
So okay. I
Yeah,
have,
okay.
So if I do not leave, I just want to make sure I'm understanding. Do you tell me my Miranda rights?
You're not detained.
What's the Miranda?
There's no reason to read Miranda
What is
for
this?
trespass after warning.
Okay. So what? All right. So we don't have to read the Miranda rights. Okay.
Well, let me help her here. When they slap those cuffs on you, they'll read you your Miranda rights because then you're going to be detained. Right now, they don't want to detain you. They don't want to be near you. They want to get going. Folks, I mean, many of us have all been in this situation with somebody who is almost obsessively speaking. And she keeps saying the same thing. I'm going to be arrested for seeking a discount. At some point, they should just end the dialogue. And listen, I'm not faulting the police. They're trying their hardest. And turn to the store and say, hey, can you get somebody on the phone? We have other things to do. We're public safety officers. We don't know what else is going on out there in the world. Can you please give us a yay or nay? Because if you don't, give her an ultimatum, the store manager 5 minutes, say, you have 5 minutes to tell us whether you're going to charge her or not, or we're going to leave. And then you can hear this woman say she's entitled to a discount.
So, okay, let's see. I don't want to go to jail. What else can I do?
If you don't want to go to
besides-
jail, you can just leave the store. It's that
What
easy.
else can I do besides do that?
All right, perfect, you guys. Thank you for trespassing.
I just want to buy these clothes. I don't.
Okay, then you can buy the clothes, but they're not giving you a discount.
I don't. My boyfriend has my money.
Next on
so I can't buy the clothes.
Okay, so you can't buy the clothes. So then you'll have to leave the clothes here until you get
They
money to
won't
buy
let
them.
me. They won't. That's what they won't let me.
They want to press charges.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
You're gonna hurt me. You're gonna
Yeah, we
hurt me.
know. Stop resisting.
I'm not. I'm not.
Thanks, get up.
resisting. I'm not.
You want to do it behind the back right there? All right. Did you get your
All right,
headphones
I'll
back?
leave, please. I'll
too late.
leave.
Nope, too
I'll
late.
leave.
Nope. We already gave you plenty of ample warnings.
Yeah. She also has a
Yeah, I know. I heard you.
Thank you so much.
We just can't charge her with that because she got locked off downstairs. But we'll get it for you.
We told you that you'd be placed under arrest, and you just wanted to sit there and record on your phone. Because you thought we were bluffing.
Can I have my phone?
Nope.
You're detained now. Nope.
I need my phone. I need to record what you're doing to me right
We're
now.
recording right now.
For wanting a discount, can you please just give me my phone? So you're taking my phone from me. You're taking.
Oh, believe me, they're recording. Everybody has body camera now. This whole thing is recorded. I hope you don't think this is going to help you somewhere with a civil rights lawsuit or something, because they gave you every opportunity in the world. Now, you could say once she said, okay, I'll leave. I mean, the problem is with somebody who's behaving like that, then you start again. And then she says, but I'm being forced out because I didn't get a discount. I don't blame the police at all. At some point you say, okay, we gave you every chance. They gave us the green light. Let's see if hopefully they read her Miranda rights now.
For me, like. So you're
Ma'am, can you
wait,
walk?
you're
Thank
taking
you.
all my belongings?
They're gonna go
Wait,
with
no.
you. Your belongings are gonna go with you.
Then what? Then what are they gonna do?
It's gonna go in your
What are
property.
they? I need my stuff.
Can you
I need
walk
my
so
stuff.
we
That's
don't-
my phone. Like I need my things. You
Ma'am?
can't take my things from me. Though.
We're not
Like
taking your
please, my stuff is over there and I want it. And
Coming with us.
I
Can you stand up so we don't
please,
have to drive you?
please don't do this. Please don't do that.
We told you what was going to happen.
My shoe.
I'm right behind you.
Instantly get my shoe. Please.
I got it. Let's go.
Try your shoe. Come on.
Stop tensing up. You're going to get another charge.
Listen, can you walk so you don't get hurt?
Are you gonna hurt? So you're
No
gonna
one wants to hurt
me?
you.
Come on, please, like, don't hurt me. Like,
This is my phone.
Here, the other way. Do you want us to take it?
We're already here.
Now? Yeah, we're going to get her resisting too.
come on, you're gonna hurt me.
You're going to hurt yourself.
Don't hurt
No
me.
one is trying to hurt you.
Please don't hurt me.
All right.
All right, cool.
Sit in that
Everything on you? Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Can I please put that with us now?
No, but you're going to free ride to the Orange County Jail.
River leg.
She's caught on me.
I just want a discount. I just want a discount. I just
Folks, I was wondering where this was, and then I saw City of Orlando. It had to be Florida, didn't it?
want a discount. Please, I just
What we're going to do
I just want a
is
discount.
we're going to put her in the car backwards, right? And then you're going to go on the other side of the car and pull her in by her legs.
You're gonna hurt me because I want a discount. You're seriously gonna hurt me because I want a discount.
Got her? Legs? Yeah.
You're hurting me. My arm. My arm.
Stop resisting.
Yeah, go on the other side of the car.
Got her?
I won't resist. I'm sorry. Okay.
I'll get you the statement.
Just so you know, they're removing everything from the back seat, putting belts aside so that the suspect won't hurt herself, and in this case, probably for good reason.
I think she has some raw stuff in there.
Okay, folks, that's it. I'm sure she was charged. Hopefully, I think these officers seem to have some compassion. The store manager may too. I mean, I don't know. Frankly, there is something wrong with this woman. She should be evaluated. I mean, the behavior was just bizarre. Even if somebody wanted to say, well, maybe she's setting up for a lawsuit, I don't know what she could possibly think she was setting up there. They gave her every opportunity. Police officers did everything by the book, although I didn't hear them read her Miranda rights. However, I don't think she said anything that would be a confession, and they don't really need to do anything because they've got the body cam on and she's saying things. That's a little something for you to know, folks. When you start talking in front of the body cam and she was not detained, they can still use that against you. They can still, even if they didn't read your Miranda rights, if you start yapping, I'm here because I want a discount, this and that, they can still use that. It's once you're detained if they tried to use anything she said to the, that was could implicate her in some crime, maybe then that she said something that she wasn't warned of her right to remain silent. On the other hand, resisting arrest, if you are not warned of your Miranda rights and you resist arrest thereafter, you can't say I wasn't read my Miranda rights, because what you're basically doing is wrestling with police officers, which was kind of what she was doing. But again, this case more looks like a mental health issue than it does a criminal issue, although they still have to do something to keep her out of that store. So if she was not suffering from a mental illness, the advice would be knock it off. When they tell you to leave, leave. That, folks, as a lawyer, that is your worst kind of client, because as adamant as she was, as belligerent as she was with the police officers, rest assured, when she's sitting next to me at counsel table or sitting across from me in my conference room, I'm hearing the same thing. And when I tell her, listen, I saw the body cam and they got you. You were given many, many warnings. And I know she would be sitting there saying, so what you're telling me is I'm going to go to jail. I'm going to be convicted because I wanted a discount. And she just keeps hearing herself say that. Luckily, she didn't come to me and retain me. Luckily, I don't really do that type of case anymore, or not too often. So I won't have to deal with that. And I don't practice in Orlando, even better. Folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you hit like and subscribe. And please leave your comments. We will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Dave Epstein signing off for Post Pollock Channel. Thank you.